Hello networkers, and I am on my vacation, an Alaskan cruise vacation, 10 days, or the Grand Princess. We are at sea for 2 days, and then we'll start stopping off at a couple locations. But in this video, I want to talk about something networking related. Hello networkers, and in this video, I want to talk about software upgrades to major releases. This is something that I encountered recently with a customer that were upgrading their FortiGate firewalls to 6.2.0. This is something I've always learned for such a long time, and I think it's important to talk about that in this episode. That you never upgrade to a major software release for your firewalls, your routers, your switches. You want time for maturity. You want time for the software to mature, because new releases of major releases of software is very buggy. Case in point, FortiGate 6.2 FORTIOS software. A customer upgraded from 6.04 to 6.2 to utilize some of the new features and enhancements, and it was plagued with problems, with bugs. Specifically, it has bugs with memory management, which actually is a particular forum or a question that somebody posted asking, hey, there's some problems with memory management, that my firewall is getting locked out whenever I'm trying to, log in. It's locked out in terms of new sessions are not being established because of this bug, and they had to downgrade to its previous version, 6.04, which is working. So it's not a hard process to downgrade from one version to another, but it is a hassle that should be avoided. Lesson learned, you do not perform major updates. So if it is 6.2.0, you wait until maybe 6.2.2 or something like that. Make sure that there is time for maturity of that particular software to get all the kinks and all the bugs worked out before you actually do upgrade. And this is true for any case, whether it's for Mac OS or for Windows or for Pan OS. I don't upgrade to 8.0 or 9.0 for Pan OS. I don't do that. I wait to see how it matures. I look at the release notes. I look at what bugs they are fixing, what are outstanding bugs or things like that. So just keep that in mind when you're doing a maintenance window. That upgrading to the latest software might sound exciting, but do it in a lab environment. Do not do it on a production network. Production equipment, because you could be troubleshooting things that are unforeseen, and now you're trying to work with the vendor, trying to figure out, it worked before but now it's not working, so how do I fix this? And usually, as I said, in terms of troubleshooting issues, it will either be a configuration issue, a software related issue, or a hardware related issue. Those are some of the things to keep in mind. And when you're upgrading to a major release, a software bug is very likely to happen. So be very smart network engineers. Do not do upgrades. Do it in a development environment, and then upgrade when it gets more mature. And we are done with this episode. I want to keep this nice and simple. I'm on my Alaskan cruise vacation. I'll show you some clips of what I am viewing. This is so beautiful right here. I can record videos all day, all week long, and I will probably do that. Just kind of take my free time and record some of these sessions. We have a clear head, a good outlook of being a network engineer. Vacations are important for networking people, or for IT people, or anybody like that. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep networking.